Hi everyone, today I'm going to present the Admanox project fees table. And today's Archlabs Archive is 12. So as you know, the project is about meals and gathering around one meal, but special events as well. And it resolves the issue of small spaces. So the idea of these events with high number of people is that the feast table offers efficiency of space, and it's easy to assemble. It's going to be light in structure, and the user will be involved in assembling the product as it's kinetically it's designed in reference of kinetic architecture. So as you know, before in my previous recordings, is that these are the references that I looked at by a block research group. It's called Beyond Bending, and they are concrete slabs. They are so beautiful, and they are actually efficient in terms of material use. So this is another reference where it's studying how much percentage of concrete is less when it's done this way, and when it's done 3D printed, obviously. So I presented this on Monday's review, and as you know, this is the concept where the human is involved in every single bit of the product. It's not just display. So the project question is, how can you create an interesting function of a wall that turns into a table, and how can you kinetically transform a wall into a table? And the second part of the question, how can you kinetically transform a wall into a table, is what I am investigating currently. And the design, which is this is the sketch. The design went through phases. So the sketch obviously illustrates the idea, but when modeling it went into different paths. So this is the first version where I was imagining that it is a floating table in the ceiling and it comes down. And then after doing this version, and I tested on the wall, I tested the table being part of the wall, like this version. And then it went from this to this sketch, which this sketch mostly investigates the underside of the table, because this is the mostly the most viewed side when it is hanged on the wall or on the ceiling, and this is the most ignored part in furniture almost all the time. So again, went through phases of modeling options. So this is the first option where I was imagining that this is a shelf, like this is it on the wall, and then people put things in here, put things in here, and then when it's flipped as a table, it will look like this with a top, obviously. But I didn't go on with this option all the way through. So this is the design option 1, which still had the stripped version of the first option. Don't know why. It's pixelated. And this is the the second option, and this is the third option, which I was testing the form from underneath, twisted form like the sketch, and this is what I am developing currently. So during the Monday review, we discussed that this is the best version currently from all the options, and what I need right now is to work on the top part, which should be refined to be part of this, like a one piece. And this is what I've been doing. These are the elevations and the plan of the previous version. So I am currently modeling to 3D print a prototype of this table, and this is the top where it's actually taking the form of the table, so it's not straight. There is a bend here, and what I just realized is that this is still looking very sharp, although in the model it looked very soft. So I'll be working on this again to refine these edges. They look very sharp in the view, and maybe we'll show a top view to show the top. As you see here, look, like this is the wide bit, and then it comes like this. But because of the white material, maybe it's not very, like, it's not showing properly. But that's it for today, for this week's update, and I'll be updating this soon. Thank you.